Hi guys, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing this super beautiful winter Christmas nails with silver and blue. So if you like this video, please leave it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's get started. So first I'm gonna apply my base coat. Today I'm using Orly Bonder to get my manicure to last longer. Then I'm gonna apply Buns Up. This is from the line Express Essie. This is a quick dry color, and I find that it works pretty good when I'm using very pigmented color to avoid any stains. Then as a base color, I'll be using Aruba Blue. This is from Essie, and I'll be painting my pinky and my ring finger with this color. This is also a one coater, so I didn't need to apply a second coat, but this is up to you. You could do two if you want. So the cleanup for this color can get a bit messy, so you have to be very careful. Then I'm gonna use the WhatsApp Nails Welcome to Holowood. This is a holographic silver polish. This is a stamping polish, but I'm gonna use it as a base in my ring finger and in my index. Is super beautiful. It really shines and it's gorgeous. Then I'm gonna apply the liquid latex around my cuticle area in my two blue nails, because I'm gonna do some stamping there. For the stamping part, I'll be using Holy Shapes Collection 18 stamping plate. This is from Maniology with this design. This reminds me of like a gift wrap paper, so I'm gonna use that. And WhatsApp Nails A014. This has a lot of snowflakes with different sizes, so I'm gonna use several of them. And I'm gonna be stamping with Maniology Ice Cube stamper. This is definitely my favorite. And I'll be using the same silver holographic polish to stamp over the blue. So you can see here that it's stamped really well, and you get that holographic shine over the blue that is already a flat color. So I'm gonna do that also in my thumb. Look at that, it looks absolutely beautiful. And then I'm gonna remove the liquid latex and do some cleanup around my nails. Now for the other fingers, I'm gonna stamp with the same blue. So technically I'm just using two colors for this manicure, the silver and the blue, and I'm just gonna place different snowflakes on my nails. This is super easy to do. They actually stamp super well, and just play around with the snowflakes. I really love the size and the shapes of one of them, so I wanted to combine them in the same nail. And then to remove the excess that you got on your skin, I'm using only Scotch tape. Sometimes I don't apply liquid latex when the designs are so small, because you can easily remove it with Scotch tape. So you can see here that it's very easy, and you don't need to clean them with acetone, because that's gonna make the color smudge and it's not gonna look good. So after, I'm gonna apply the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat. This is the water-based top coat that is gonna avoid your designs to smudge. So I'm gonna apply this in all my nails. And finally, I'm gonna apply the Good to Go fast dry top coat, just to make sure that I got that shiny finish and quick dry. So here's the final result. I really love this manicure. I think it looks absolutely beautiful for Christmas or for winter. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be doing more Christmas nail art during the coming weeks. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.